resource type is room.
Yes, create. So this is like what room you are going to take for the for this trade.
Specialized.
Yes, we have to assign all this stuff. Resource type. Cost center, if you have, you can.
What is being priority?
That I have told you. Priority you are giving in a simple maintenance and graphic, structural graphic. That this will come first. This room will come first. You are giving this priority to that. While we will be showing that business event group. Okay, business event type. The room will come in a priority. This is capacity, address.
It's not mentioned what is
We have done so many times, right?
okay. Yes,
Here particularly, yeah. See, these are the things. So many times it will ask because particularly you are mentioning for room, particularly you are mentioning for business event type. So all details repeatedly you have to add.
Is not taken. Other information costs.
Cost also click on it. Cost item select. No, not from there. Cost item from the box. Click on it. Direct also directly this cost item is going to use. Okay. First you have to select the cost item. Then only it will allow. What item we have created? Diary and network. Yes. Double click on it. Second network also create. Yeah. Click on it.
Okay.
Okay. Save the record. See, what is this? This is proposed amount, whatever we have mentioned. Okay. And the currency. If, see, while we were creating attendee, I believe, right? That time it was showing that if it is, while creating this cost item, it was showing that it is for the attendee, it is for the business event, or it is for the time unit, right? We have selected one for attendee, one for business event, as well. Those boxes are ticked. Rest all is blank, right?
Yes.
Save the record. So training on event is very easy because at one go, like in a one row, you have to go ahead from current setting to till the end. You have to create the details. If you want to delete all this cost, you can go back, save the record, then go back. So a resource type is a classification of resources. So room is one resource, instructor is one resource, material is one resource, other resource is also there. Apart from these three, we must be having some other resources, right?
Mm.
Yeah, select the, we have already created. I think external instructor we have created, right? No?
Mm.
Okay, select your business type. Everywhere you have to mention, then only it will create, it will reflect under business type.
Let's check.
Creative, CP.
CP.
Yes.
This one.
Now you have to select on the, you have to tick on it. You have to select and continue. What is showing is the instructor for business event type. Yes, this
Yes, yes.
instructor is for this business
Business.
event type,
Mm.
and this instructor is belong to this company. Okay, save.
Mm. Person with the same name already.
What it is showing?
I, I have already used one earlier. That's one.
Yeah, that's what I've told you, that that person. Go back. You can go back. We need not to create again and again. Go back. We have already created external person, right?
So, uh, yes, already created a
Save the record. Save the record. No issue.
full out of
Give some
required.
other name. Give Satyendra name. Satyendra name. Satyendra, do you have any question?
No.
If you
Certain.
have any cost center defined here, then we can assign cost center, because everything is incurred from the cost, right? And every cost is going to map to the cost center or master cost center. So that time we can assign that cost to. We'll go for the default one we have.
What are the other resources?
Other resources. So what are the things we have already? External
Yes,
instructor we have created, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, create something in other resources, maybe deep and abbreviation, anything else, any other resource we are looking for, like
Like, what type of resources they are asking?
see, apart from room, instructor, material, and that we have got from the resource type, right? Apart from that also, we must be having something like small things like notepad is other resource. Okay, and any other resource whatever is going to use during the training. Sometimes we provide the diary. Sometimes we uh, provide the brochure also
Hmm.
about what the training we are creating. We are doing the training. So that will come under the other resources.
Yeah. In this abbreviation, like,
Abbreviation, you mentioned one notepad
okay.
and mention everything one by one. If you have any details which is required to be, mentioned in other resources, then only you have to mention, or else it's not necessary. Like you can create PC also, like
Mhm.
it is like individual resources. Against room also there will be a conference room, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can create like that. Individual resources we are going to create through other resources. Like if we will find first we will define resource type PC, like our computer. Then we
Mm.
can just define the individual resources. Example PC 001.
Yes.
So you can go for create the resource first, resource type, then you have to mention the other resources here, like other bifurcation if you are doing for the resource type. Sub resource you can say. Have you filled everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Further information and all? Okay.
Yes,
Event type we have done it.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We can create this course group or business event group is nothing but course group. So SP arrow also. There is what is the navigation is training and event management, then business event preparation, then create business event group. Not here. If you will go to SPRO directly, this is the SAP easy access. Directly we can create here, or we can get inside of the backend and we can create from there.
Where you said?
SPRO,
Mm.
training and event management, ING,
Yes.
training and event management,
Mm.
business event
And
preparation,
define cost item, define time schedule.
create business event group. Everything is here only. We can define the cost item, define the time schedule, building, location, organizer,
Okay. Yeah.
right?
Mm.
The same we have in front end, so we are creating.
Mm.
Now we have to assign the schedule to the business event. Okay, PSV2. We have created everything. Let's see that we can assign the schedule to the business event. This is the last step. Create business event without resources.
Then what
You
is
can
the
create
code?
with resources.
PS
PSV2.
V
Yeah,
TSV
V2.
two numeric two, right?
T, nahi, P for parrot.
Okay, P
PS.
for that. PS2.
No, no. Slash and PSV2. You are in SPRO, right?
Slash and
And PSV2.
PSV.
Slash N. N for Nancy.
Okay. I thought end.
No, not and. N.
Slash end. Yeah.
This is a different screen, and that business event catalog is a different screen. Here you can't create. See all other heading, you will be getting business event, edit, go to. When you will go to business event catalog, so master data, that time you will be getting the create option, that lower level, same level, copy. So click on your creativity. Where is your creativity? I think under attitude. Yeah. There's a group. Right click on creativity and problem solving. Right click.
Okay.
Create without resources.
This one now.
Yeah. This one. So what it is showing?
Yes, even without
Okay.
resource.
Location select.
Acha.
Select the location.
Hmm?
Why it is not coming? Can anyone tell me? Why location is not getting reflected?
Uh,
You have to create business event again. Because the date is not matching. Every record got created from today's. And your date is validity is from first onwards. It is a
oh,
past date. So we
okay.
have to create the event again. Okay, let me explain. Create your event. Okay, event and event type. Go back. I will show you. My event I have already assigned. Go back. This is your task to complete this stuff. Okay, show me tomorrow.
Yes.
Go back. I don't know. Keep here. Go to B. Again go to PSV2. No, no. Here it is not required. We are in SAP Easy
Hmm.
Access. B. How it
Only
will be? Only B. B is my group. Okay. Just select the ABC bet, that arrow mark. You will come to know. Two things I have created. One is for with resources. One is for without resources. Click on the last one. Double click on it. What it is showing? That what is the capacity
maximum optimum
and booking.
20, yes.
Okay. So if you will right click on it, close this, right click on it, go to time schedule. This is what it is showing, that on 25th Thursday 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 26th Friday 10
26
o'clock to
Friday
12
10.
o'clock. Why? Because my schedule I have given second for noon.
Hmm.
Okay. Second for morning, I think so. Yeah, morning. So while we are creating the time schedule also, when it is falling, because start would be Monday, Thursday, we have to check the date. If it is falling on Friday, then time schedule we have to create through without resource or with resource. You can't
Hmm.
go ahead with the time schedule what you have already created.
When we have like mentioned the date wrong, right?
Yeah,
So I think we
because we
have
have created day before yesterday.
hmm,
See, only cost item you can give date 1/1/1990. Rest all you have to give the date from future date, not past date. Future date we have to give. Rest all. If it will fall on the same day, then only it will. Because training will not happen in a past date. But the current, even our plan version also, it is showing that 0101 something, right? Go
Yes,
to that. Now it is showing 2/1/2024. Here is 1/1/2024. Plan version time we can change for the event uh, type. Only the event type and event group we have to create from today's date. Rest or let it be. Because if you will change the plan version, whoever is using this plan version, then they will be facing issue. We can change the plan version after clicking on right click on period. So you will be getting lot of details. You can go to master data, then business event group and business event period structure. If it is a fixed date or fixed time, it will be asked. It is purely user defined. So what you have to do, just follow this ABC company. Okay, ABC I have created. Follow one by one all screen and create your own training details and check your schedule is getting reflected on.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow show me that and we'll start with payroll from tomorrow. You will not get any error. Just click on ABC bed, right click and go to without resource. Right click on ABC bed, without resource.
Planning period start date is not a valid period for you.
Okay, I have already created this, so that's why it is not good. Okay, go for any other activity. Any other your activity. Select. Go to capacity, that creativity and problem solving. So what is this screen is all about? This is like we are creating without resource of what resource type we have created. So we have to select our location. If the date is correct of the business event and business group, then your location will get reflected over it. Okay. Today only create and check because today's date you have given, right? You can create your schedule from clicking on create button or copy from your schedule if it is matching to your schedule. Okay. Number of attendees, minimum, maximum capacity here it is showing. Price and cost assignment, we have given the internal price, external price during the business event type and group creation. That will get reflect automatically. Organizer also you can get once you create your business, once it will be, the date will be common for all this record. Then you can select your organizer from the second box. If you will click on, you will come to know. Click on that, you will come to know the organizer will get reflect. Not there, second box. Yes. So we'll click on it and search your, you can, okay, the date is showing. Yeah, so that time it will come. Go
Okay,
down.
let's.
Rest all is if you want to give any information about this business event like general description or anything you have added during the business event type that will get reflect. You can create also. Go down
That's it.
little bit.
Not going
Go.
down.
That is much. No, it's not
Hmm.
visible. Nothing much.
Yes,
It would be internal only. While you will be creating your other resource, you should create planned instead of active. Go to your other resource. Go back. You have created your other resource, right? Cancel it. Cancel it. No, no. Go to the SAP Easy Access group. Other resource. What you have created? Planning status should be planned. Create one more with PC.
we already used.
Resource type, go with anything if you have. PC is there or what we have created in resource type.
Dabur functions. This.
Okay, go for this. Double click on it
And
and conference
this room conference room is
room.
also created. This one. Yeah.
No, no, no. Go for Dabur one. We have to give the sub resource. Okay. Location, select your location.
Dabur.
Yes. And create abbreviation name that is Dabur CR 201. This is a conference room. You must be having so many conference
Hmm.
rooms. Which one? More specifically, you are mentioning that we want this. We have a 5 conference room. We want 201, 202, 203. Just random number I'm saying. Okay. Yes. Then capacity, further just check. Cost center, assign here cost center also. Go to relationship. Create, create. Yes, function. Cost center, click on cost center. Let it be cost controlling area would be that. The second one, cost center. Click on the box. Yes, select the second one. SAP dummy. This is going to work everywhere.
Question.
Save,
This
save
created
that.
by you, no?
No, no, no. I am not. I'm not a FICO consultant. This is not
The
created by me.
finance
This is
person.
created by some finance person.
Hmm.
Whoever they have to create cost center. They have to create fiscal
Okay.
year, which you
Yes,
must have
okay.
seen that in org assignment we were getting
Hmm.
for the company code, the error.
Yes, ma'am.
They must
Yes.
be create
Hmm.
the chart of account. Not having much idea about chart of account, I think it is going to map with the uh, laser actually, general laser and profit and loss account. You will not, if you will be a consultant of HR, you will not get access for finance creation. You have to just ask them and assign. We can assign. Here you assign all your cost item that how we have assigned for other. Anyone you can go for or you can go for all. See, whatever you have created earlier, just check the date. If it is a cost item, we have created three things earlier. Business event, business type, and cost item. If the date is not falling according to your training schedule, then create the new one. It should be synced. All the records should sync with each other.
Mm. So I have to mention date
All
for the future, huh? Like for the last
yes,
few.
yes. Future today's or tomorrow days, whatever date
Mm.
you want. Save the record. Again, click on cost. There's a two box, right? So why it is there, I don't know. One cost is fine. If you want to assign any other network, have you assigned?
Yes, ma'am. I mentioned diary and network with the first one.
Notebook we have created, right?
Ah, yes. Network.
Yeah, this you assign here.
One is enough.
Yeah, one is
Uh, no one
the
actually has
time
not
unit
connected.
we have not created because time unit is
Exactly.
this is the cost item someone else created. Okay, leave
Mm.
it. Go back. Don't save these details. Go back. We have already assigned all this. We want to save yes, yes. Go back. Capacity, relationship, everything we have mentioned.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
go back.
Save.
Wherever there is a cost center required, go with SAP dummy 0001. And control area is 0001, I think, 0001, right?
Then it's 0001.
Yeah. Go back.
Let me save now.
Yeah, save it, then go back. This error you will not get in a real time. Maybe this demo server is having some errors, so that's why always whenever you are asking for, they have set this SOBJ somewhere. That's why it is asking always before saving.
Okay.
So these three things you just check. First is business event group, then event type, and follow my whatever I have created. Okay, what date I have mentioned, how it is coming, that you can check.
Hmm.
Satyendra, do you have any question?
Oh. Okay,
So
then
we
we'll
have
try
a
today.
report of, yeah, you try today. Tomorrow, first 15 minutes, we'll just
Hmm.
discuss about this. Then we'll start with the theory part of payroll.
Yes, ma'am.
See, by this weekend, I will send you all the notes except payroll. Payroll once done, we'll share the payroll notes.
Okay.
So we can run the transaction for report, resource report also we have S underscore AHR underscore 61016224 to display the resources.
It is too long, no?
We have created, yeah, actually this way they have created because all report will come like this only. Report,
So,
they don't have any like 4-digit transaction code.
hmm, okay,
It
so
will
ma'am,
start with X underscore AHR. If it is for org management, you have seen lot of reports. It's a lengthy one. You can't remember all this.
hmm,
So whenever anyone will ask for a very common report, they will ask you question. They will not ask you very like even they can't remember all this stuff.
hmm.
They
mean,
may ask you where you can create employee list. Okay,
let's
maybe you are
end
having
with
an
that.
office.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Fine, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Same time,
Yes,
7:30.
ma'am. Yes.